Hey guys, I'm going to do a quick video showing you how to check availability of the computer lab and how to schedule your own time. This is a request we get commonly. We've sent out some information about it in the past, but I just want to make sure everybody knows how to do it so that they can do it themselves. It's much faster that way. Okay, first you have to be in first class. So I skipped the step of logging in, and this is what my desktop looks like. Yours might look like this, but it's fine. Either way, you're going to go about it the same way. The way you will look up a computer lab is you will go to Collaborate and Directory, and you will search for MHHS. Okay? That will pull up all of the East High resource calendars here. You see, 111 is not schedulable right now because Mr. Ray's class is in there, but Lab 209 and 219, teachers can schedule time in those labs. To view the lab calendar, right-click on the lab name, like I right-clicked on Lab 209 there, and then I'm going to left-click Open User Calendar. Now I can see the calendar, okay? Say, for example, if I wanted to book some time on Tuesday the 13th, you just double-click on the day you want. I prefer, or I would require that you put the periods that you're going to use. Like say if you only want first period, you would put first and then your last name, and then you're going to change the time here to reflect the actual time you'll be in the lab. So first period, I'm going to just round up to 9:30. I would say okay. If you want it to show up on your actual first class calendar, you can put yourself as a participant. Or if you're going to, well, no, you don't have to put anybody else as a participant, but if you want it to show up on your personal first class calendar, if you use that, then put your name there, and then you would save, and it shows up right there on the lab calendar. The reason I want you to put the period and your name is so that when other people look at the calendar, it's very easy to tell what periods are available and what periods are booked. If you just put your name, then it's difficult to tell what periods you're using, okay? You can do it like this. For example, Miss Cook, we've put down first, third, and fourth, and then we've blocked off the whole day. If you wanted to come along and put second period there and come in between those times, that would be fine. Just make sure you don't book on top of someone else's time, okay? I can delete items, but I do not believe that you all are able to delete your own items, and you cannot delete other people's lab time. So if you make a mistake and you put it on there incorrectly, then you can email me and say, I need you to fix this for me. But we would prefer that you guys look on these calendars since they are accessible to you and schedule your own time since you are able to do that. It just makes life easier for everybody. I'm going to demonstrate one more time on the Lab 219 calendar. Okay, I want to look at Lab 219, so I'm going to right-click and then left-click Open User Calendar. Here's the calendar right here. Say I decided I wanted to use Thursday on the 15th. I can't use 209 because the Project 2020 trainings are in there from the 15th on Thursdays. So I would double-click here on Lab 219. Say I want first, second, and third. Put the periods there and then my name. And then I would change the time to reflect when I'm actually going to be in the lab. So 8 o'clock to 1:30. If I want it to show up on my own first class calendar, I'll put myself as a participant, save and close, and then there you go. Okay? If you have any questions about this, you can call us at extension 1243 or you can send us an email. But I would love to see some of you guys start scheduling your own time. So teach a man to fish. There you go. Have a nice day.